Hey guys, Ellie here, and we are doing nail art, and we will be doing it for episodes and a series. And this is my sister May. Hey. Yeah, she's my sister. I'm older, and we'll be doing nails with these. And we got comebacks, we got fake nails over there.
Comebacks feel like clouds.
Yeah, we've got all different colours of nail varnish. So plus got this if it goes around. We've got sellotape to cover our nails sometimes. And we've got glue and all sorts there. And we've got water here for water marble. So first we are going to do the water marble. So this colour.
We're going to be using a cherry pink colour as well.
Yeah.
Let's just get it.
Okay. I've got some.
Down.
We should start spraying. It's gonna be girl nail art for this one. We're gonna be doing different each time.
There's like a peachy, pinky colour.
Yeah. We're gonna be doing different each time, and we're gonna keep all of the nails. We're just gonna do fake nails.
I just can't get it.
And it's
Oh, no.
gonna be amazing. Just splodge on the sand. Not all of it.
Splodge. Splodge.
Splodge. I tried it out and I did all dark colours and it didn't really turn out nice.
I'm just gonna go and find that now so you can see what it looks like.
Okay. Sorry about the rain.
Okay. So here is the nail what Ellie did. Oh no, it's dropped it.
It's all dark and blue. I'm sorry that the light isn't good either.
So we've just like got a new light.
The light was put in last minute, so it's not the best.
Yeah.
We'll also be doing videos like Ask Ellie and Mary, and we'll answer them and stuff like that. Okay, so the watermelon is done. What we're going to do is put them on fox nails. I'm just going to mix it around with it.
Spoon.
So, here it is. Gonna put my hand in with it and just roll it around. Gonna catch all the nail polish.
But we need to spread it to the brown.
So I've got a spoon. Okay, it's a bit lumpy, but never mind. Some episodes of these will be long, but some might not be, due to what we do. So that's actually quite nice. That one in here. It's like all pinkish and nice.
Now we're going to be doing the different one.
Yep. We just.
I'm going to be doing this one.
Yep.
It's going to be
So, what beam are you doing?
like a pink.
Leave it. I've done a pinky. on this purple, so yeah. It was last minute.
I'm just picking no sparkly colours.
Look at all the sparkles. Oh, there's a bit more.
Oh, there's a little bit of sparkles in these colours.
Get them off, we just get one of these and rub it all over.
I'm going to be starting mine now.
It took me 5 minutes to do mine.
Get in.
I hate
Left.
not with it. Rub it at the same time. Sorry that I'm looking over there, but very interesting over there. Well, that's enough in there.
Yeah.
So, whilst my sister's doing that, I'm going to talk you through what we're going to be doing. We're going to keep all the false nails, and at the end of the series, we'll show them all off and stuff. And like show clips of the old episodes, like this one. This is going to be way old. Maybe way old, but yeah. And it's 4 weeks till Christmas. And
So
for Christmas, I'm going to get into nail stuff, so we can do bear nails, stuff like that. Next we'll be doing our nails in the next episode, and these might come up daily, so you might there might be 2 uploads on the same day, or 3 uploads, because we're not going to have a schedule or anything like that. When we feel like it, we'll do it.
And we're going to discuss what days we're going to do it on.
Yep. And we'll be doing different series, like we might do, I don't know, maybe some hair, makeup, and all sorts. We could do like one of us on games, because for Christmas she's getting a laptop, and I've got one.
And you might be doing videos on Sims 4.
No, we won't, because we haven't got a good camera for that. So, you might not see the screen, but if we can get it so you can see the screen, we'll do that. So it'll be so cool and fun. And this rain is awful. And the door behind me is to get to my kitchen. Yeah. I'm in like observatory right now, so. And there's a gust of bed. I'm looking at my parents.
They're watching TV.
We're watching TV. Yes, we're doing all this. Oh, I got nail polish for me for all the week. It's horrible, horrible, horrible.
I'm trying to like fill all the water.
That's enough.
Yeah.
Boom, shot, bottle, So what I do to get it off, I just get it, squeeze it, and just rub it all over.
Get my nail. My nail. I'm going for a time. Oh no.
Okay. What's that mean?
That's weird. I haven't.
Hey, have you got one of your nails? Wait, dump it in and mix it around. Up. Make sure you get some of the red.
Oh, I got it on myself.
Sorry.
Oh.
See? Yes. Put it up. Place it down. Place it down. Let go. There. Okay. There you go.
Thank
Put
you.
it out. Let's I just spread yours.
I don't feel bad for doing things because I'm like getting all the fluff away or something. It's like drinking water.
That is it's
quite fun.
It's not a very good camera, is it? Yeah, but it's greeny, pink. Oh, wow.
Oh, I wasn't paying attention to what I was doing. No one. It just went up down this second.
Yeah. So that's about it for this episode. Make sure you subscribe and leave a like down below. But no thumbs down, okay? Okay. Well, you can. I'll know that you've been watching. So, yeah. So, no.